Okay, YouTube, here today we have 3 chainsaws. We are going to have a little competition here. First off, over here we have a stock MS660. These all have 20-inch bars on them. Next in line we have a Husqvarna 372 XP. Then over here we have a 660 with Aftermarket CPI Racing exhaust pipe on it and an air filter. We're going to see how they cut through this log. Okay guys, fire them up. And there we have it. So you have the information right there. 2 stock saws versus a modified hot saw. This was a piece of hardwood elm that they cut through. Thanks for watching today.